Tara, kape tayo. So, welcome to the first episode of Tara Kape. And this is a channel for all ages, all gender, no matter who, what, and where you are. This is made especially for those people who are hesitant to ask for an advice or simply share their thoughts because of, maybe they are afraid to be judged. So, aminin natin, mas madali naman talagang mag-share minsan sa stranger kasi hindi ka nila agad i-judge ng mga taong yun. Lalo kung mabilisan lang yung encounter natin sa kanila compared sa mga taong palagi nating nakakasama. And, ang nakakalungkot doon, sometimes even to our siblings or parents, hirap tayo mag-bring up ng mga bagay-bagay sa kanila. But, I'm not saying na lahat ganun na. There are families na talagang open sila sa isa't isa, na mas comfortable pa rin sila na mag-share sa family nila. Well, not everyone is blessed with that kind of family, diba? So, here in our channel, there will be no judgment. That's why I also intended not to show my face, to be fair. Para, alam mo na, totally strangers talaga tayo. So, since first episode pa lang naman natin to, let me briefly introduce myself. So, obviously, I'm a daughter, I'm a sibling, a wife, a mom, and a friend. So, me and my husband were actually already planning to be a content creator since 2023 pa. Bilang mahilig talaga ako manood ng mga vlogs, pero hindi namin maisip kung paano and where to start or what kind of content should we do. We thought of food and travel, pero naisip namin parang ang dami naman ang nagaganon until eto, naisip ko to. So lately kasi napapansin ko sa Facebook, nung nauso lalo yung notes, parang ang daming may mga saloobin, parang ang daming may mga pinagdadaanan, and parang feeling ko yung nasa puso ko, parang gusto ko silang tulungan, gusto ko makinig sa kung ano mang mga pinagdadaanan nila, hindi man magbigay ng advice or hindi man sila humingi ng tulong sa akin, parang I just want to listen, ganun lang. So parang feeling ko nandun talaga yung pagiging concerned citizen ko. Pero, sometimes, ako rin yung nahihiyang magtanong sa kanila kung kamusta na sila, or what are they going through, etc. Kaya, yun, I came to this idea and thought, why not, diba? I feel like I have a lot of wisdom to share, pero parang wala akong mapag-sharean. Well, before deciding to build my own family, I used to be in a corporate world, and of course, talking to a lot of people is one of my favorite things to do. I have, subordinates who needs my guidance and feedback, and most of the time, hindi lang naman about sa trabaho yung mga napag-uusapan namin, madalas about their personal, love life, family, or kung ano mang ganap nila sa buhay nila. And aminin natin, masarap makipagkwentuhan talaga over coffee or tea or basta meron ka lang iniinom, ganyan. So, madalas naman natin sabihin na, tara, kape na natin yan, iinom na natin yan. And matik na parang alam na natin kung anong mangyayari kapag ganun yung yayaan. So, maybe that's one thing that I miss about working in a corporate world now that I'm a full-time housewife and a mom. So there, I think ito na muna for our first episode, since nagwawala na si Baguette sa background, and I'm looking forward and very excited to read your comments, questions, suggestions, and let's talk about everything and anything under the sun. And I hope maraming makarelate sa atin. So you can also visit my Facebook page. Now I'll be putting the link below. So that's just all for today. And thank you for listening. And until our next coffee break together. Adios.